The electronic control of the eMag Control knee joint system opens a new chapter in orthotics. This latest generation of orthotic components features a control function that significantly enhances patient comfort and safety. An innovation by Otto Bock, the medtech company. Innovation that builds trust. The eMag Control joint system improves quality of life of people for whom free motion knee joints and swing phases are no longer an option, or who can use these appliances only to a limited extent. This may be due to most diverse reasons, such as poor muscular status or long-term adaptation to rigid devices, but also multiple problems. This situation is most commonly caused by poliomyelitis, post-polio syndrome and paraplegia. The eMag Control tackles this issue with its novel interaction between electronic and mechanical components. As a result, the knee joint remains under control at all times. During movements performed in everyday life, the special equipment and design of the joint provides a particularly high safety margin for the user. A remote control enables the user to secure his body with both hands before the joint is unlocked. A feedback system simultaneously sends sound, light and vibration signals to the patient to indicate the mode of the joint that he wants to bend in order to sit down. This feedback is also of great importance when the patient stands up again. The system sends a signal to the user as soon as the joint is completely locked in the stance position. Then the patient may start walking freely without having to check his orthotic joint again. But the joint offers yet another advantage in everyday use. It is designed as a closed system. This prevents clothing from getting caught in the joint. If that were the case, this could damage the fabric and result in unsteady movements. In addition, this closed design protects the joint mechanism against external impacts. Simeon's example shows how increased confidence in the joint combined with the electronic control feature can significantly enhance the mobility of people. With the conventional bail-locked fitted orthoses worn bilaterally, Simeon is not able to stand or sit down on his own. He always had to rely on the help of friends or family to get him moving autonomously. Previously, even indispensable everyday life activities such as going to the bathroom on his own presented a challenge he could not cope with alone. Here we can see the dependence of Simeon very clearly. He is not able to open or close his orthoses without help. Now the new eMag Control orthoses again provides autonomy for the patient. He can select and influence the function of his orthoses on his own. The completely enclosed knee joint is secured by an electromagnetic lock. The lock is controlled and its function monitored by a microprocessor-controlled electronic system. A sensor incorporated in the knee joint feeds the current status back to the electronic system. The electronic system indicates the joint status to the user via vibration, sound and light signals. By pressing the button, the patient can change the feedback mode to vibration only. The added remote control can be used as a handheld system or integrated into a crutch. It serves to control opening and closing of the lock. For safety reasons, any remote control function must be actuated twice. Trust safety and comfort. The functionality of our eMag control enhances quality of everyday life. Technology for people.